Welcome to all. 10th Mathematics Practice and Learn Daily. Linear Equations with Two Variables. Session 1. Example. Solve by any suitable method. X plus 2y is equal to 13 and another equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 15. Solution. For solving this equation, we have to remember these things. The system of pair of linear equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Another equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. First condition, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 has unique solution, means only one solution. In graphical representation, the two lines intersect each other and consistent. Second condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 has an infinite number of solutions. In graphical representation, the two lines parallel to each other and consistent. Third one, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2 has no solution. In graphical representation, the two lines coincident to each other and inconsistent. There are many methods to solve this equation. First one is graphical method, substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method or formula method, equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. So here we use elimination method. Solve by unsuitable method. So let us number the given equation. First of all, we have to give the number for the equation, that is x plus 2y. I call it as number 1. Second equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 15. I call it as number 2. Here coefficient of unknown variable. There are two unknown variables there. One is x, another one is y. But here the variable unknown variable x has different coefficient. In first equation 1, but second equation 3. So it is not cancelled. So unknown variables y are same. Both first equation 2, second equation also 2, but different sign. If it is different sign, you have to add the equation. If it is same sign, you have to subtract. But here in my problem, different sign are there and y variables are equal. That is not necessary to make same. Variables are y variables are equal. Therefore coefficient of unknown variable y are same in number but different in sign. Therefore add 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2, we get x plus 2y is equal to 13. Second equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 15. So I have to add x plus 3x. It gives 2y and minus 2y cancelled. X plus 3x gives you 4x. 13 plus 15, that is gives you 28. 4x is equal to 28. X is equal to 28 divided by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 7 ja. So my x value is equal to 7. Put x equal to 7 in equation 1. We get 7 plus 2y is equal to 13. So transfer 7 to another side. 2y is equal to 13 minus 7. 2y is equal to 6. So I need y. Y is equal to 6 divided by 2. Y is equal to 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Y is equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 7 and y equal to 3. So practice question. Solve by any suitable method 4x plus y is equal to 14 and 3x minus 5. Here coefficient of y are same but different sign. You have to proceed as I done. Solve by any suitable method 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Here the coefficient of x all are same but sign also same. Therefore you have to subtract first equation by second equation, that is 1 minus 2. Third one, solve by any suitable method 2x minus 3y is equal to 13. 7x minus 2y is equal to 20. Here coefficient of x and coefficient of y are different. Therefore you have to make it same by multiplying with different. So y and so you have to multiply first equation by 2, second equation by 3, then both side y are same. We got another 2 equation, so you have to subtract. Solve by any suitable method. X plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here again the coefficient of x and y are not same. You have to make it same by multiplying the first equation by 2, second equation by 1. Here coefficient of x is 1 in the first equation, that should be multiplied to the second equation. Second equation coefficient of x is 2, that have to be multiplied with the first equation, and you have to subtract. Solve by any suitable method. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. X minus 2y is equal to 7. So here in the equation first coefficient of x is 2. In the equation second coefficient of x is 1. So multiply the first equation by 1 because second equation coefficient of x is 1. And second equation you have to multiply with 2 because coefficient of x in first equation is 2. So again subtract the equation, we get the solution. Thank you.